Developed by nutritionists, physicians, and professional chefs, the MyFoodMyHealth online meal planner and recipes make it fun and delicious to improve your health by eating well. Whether you're cooking for yourself or your family, or you're a healthcare professional supporting patients, MyFoodMyHealth makes it easy to use mouth-watering whole natural foods to manage health conditions and food allergies, or simply to support your best health. Get tailored meal plans for health conditions such as celiac, diabetes, high blood pressure, IBS, and more, as well as food allergies and food dislikes. MyFoodMyHealth automatically generates an online weekly meal plan just for you. From the meal plan calendar, you can personalize it even more to fit your mood, tastes, or schedule. You can view a recipe, delete a recipe, add a recipe, swap recipes, add notes, and if you don't choose to use the meal planner, you can simply print all the recipes for your personal profile. It's that easy, creative, and flexible for you. Are you in the mood for a comforting favorite or something more exotic? Do you have fresh, seasonal produce from the farmer's market? We've traveled the globe to find hundreds of fabulous international flavors and seasonal recipes to keep you satisfied. Personalized shopping lists and online resources make shopping fast and easy. Cooking videos, health information, and online tools give you added support. MyFoodMyHealth, the flavor of feeling better.